Progress there? Come out farther?
Yeah. And legs. Little baby legs. I just want to go hug her. I just want to go hug her. She sounds so sad. Okay. Can I help her push the baby out?
Grab a hold of the feet and pull.
Okay.
Because I'm going to have to do that here in just a few minutes.
Is it too big for her?
No, those hooves don't look very big.
Dolly. Are you videotaping it?
Mm-hmm. Your commentary is awesome.
It has to be. She has an ear hole. Is this cow really going to move right? Oh, Dad, look! She's... What happened to his ear? Keep going. Ew. Oh my goodness. It's so little. One more. Couple more. She can't get it out. It won't. It's stuck. No, it's
This cow's right in my way.
Can you move, please? No, Dad, that one's not breaking. Just because you have front row seats doesn't mean you can block everybody else's view. He said no. I know.
There you go.
One more. Push it. Ew. That's gross. She's like, is it done? Dad, I think she pushed it all out. Now I'm just going to make sure that it gets the thing off of it because
Dr. Dad on the way.
Ew, you were still in there. Ew.
Yuck.
Is it okay? Is she licking it?
Yeah. She's eating all the yuck off of it. Good cow.
Aww.
Oh.
Good now. Got the hiccups. Good cowsy.
We had to watch a video on how a cow had a cat. He can't get his front feet up. That's what's happening.
It's because they're too wide. Oh, there you go.
Now he's getting his back legs. He's like, shoot, now I'm screwed.
Yeah.
And then this calf is like, can I go with you? What's happening? Sebastian?
This is the no visiting zone. Go away.
Sebastian's coaching him. Sebastian's like, I was a calf once too. I was a calf once too. You've got to be kidding me, Haley. He was a calf.
Almost.
Dad's gonna move. Dr. Dad is headed back out. Look at the mom. Look at Dad.
Mom's like, I'm out of here.
It's riding the struggle bus. Go. Look at it wobble. Its feet are too.
That's how he helped you guys walk.
No, it's that cow.
Oh.
No, Dad, it fell. Back down. A little bit ago. Yeah, but it has to get shocked once so that it knows what those fences are. Doesn't it?